Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2013 Suzuki Gladius 650. This is the SFV, same engine as the SV650. Excellent running condition, only 35,000 miles. This thing runs like a top. It's got those really cool GP inspired hand guards. Come by, just checked out in our service department. This thing is great condition, price to sell, very low, just $29.99. Basic because of the mileage, but it runs fantastic. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.